How you doing, man? My name is Quan Stewart.
James.
James? I'm a veterinarian. If it's okay with you, I'd like to take a look.
I think most of us, if we're being honest with ourselves, when we see someone on the streets with a pet, the first thing we think is, poor pet, right? I had that thought.
Her hips have been bothering her for a little bit. She's been sore when she walks too much.
But I will say this about the people I've met who have pets on the streets. They are some of the most remarkable pet parents I've ever met.
It makes me feel good, and he loves me, and I know he loves me.
I've seen people give up their last meal for their pet, and people who have $3 for their name, and after I'm done with the treatment, they will try and give me that $3.
This is your partner, obviously, huh?
He's my best friend.
I can treat about 80% of the cases I see out of a really small bag.
Oh, you do vaccines too?
Do vaccines.
That's
She
really
needed them.
cool. Oh, that's really cool.
It's antibiotics, it's anti-inflammatories, flea and tick, heartworm prevention. It's all there.
Let me take a listen here.
It doesn't matter what your situation is or what your background or past is. I see a pet in need, and I see a person who cares for them dearly, who just needs some help.
I'm gonna do it right here.
Okay.
It's at no cost to them, it's free.
That's it, buddy. You're a good boy.